Adding YouTube TV to your smart TV is quick and easy, and once installed, you can enjoy live channels, sports, and DVR recordings right from your big screen. Here's how to set it up on most smart TVs. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV. Start by powering on your TV and connecting it to your home Wi-Fi network. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Step 2. Open the App Store. Every smart TV has its own App Store. On Samsung, open the Samsung App Store. On LG, open the LG Content Store. On Sony/Android TVs, open the Google Play Store. Step 3. Search for YouTube TV. Use your remote to type YouTube TV into the search bar. Select the official YouTube TV app from the results. Step 4. Install the app. Click Install or Download. Wait a few moments for the installation to complete. The app will now appear on your home screen or apps list. Step 5. Open YouTube TV. Launch the newly installed app. Select Sign In. Step 6. Complete sign-in. A code will appear on your TV. On your phone or computer, go to tv.youtube.com/start, enter the code, and sign in with your Google account. That's it. You can now enjoy all your YouTube TV channels and recordings directly on your smart TV.